All right, in this video, we're going to be checking out this suction cup knife sharpener. So I'll show you what you get in the box. I'll show you how to use it, and we'll go from there. So this is what it looks like out of the box. This is a suction cup bottom right here, and you're able to turn this handle, turn this to lock it into place. It comes with two different discs for sharpening your knives, but each disc has different mesh grades on each side. So it goes from as gritty as 300 to as fine as 1,000. So depending on how rough your knives are around the edges, obviously if it's more rough, you're going to want to use 300 and then 400 and then 600 and 1,000. 1,000 is going to be the smoothest one, and this is going to be closest to your finishing whenever you're finishing your sharpening here. So my knives are pretty sharp already, but just wanted to show you how this works. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this. It has a magnet in here, and it's going to suction. It holds it in place there, so you can see it doesn't fall out, and it's in place here. And all you're going to do is put this on a flat surface, push down on it, and turn this little thing right here, and this is going to lock it in place. As you can see, that is on there, and it's good. So what they recommend is when you're going to be sharpening your knife is to put a little water on here. I don't have a little spray bottle, so I'm just going to get a dab of water here and put it on here. So that's wet there, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to take your knife and you're going to sharpen it like this. So that's one, and here's another one. And I'm holding my finger on this because I'm doing it at a slight angle, and when you do, this can turn. While it is stuck in place, it does turn. So just to be more safe here, I am holding it down like that. So we've got a good sharpening on these knives, and so what you would do next is if you had a honing tool, you would use that to just clean that off. But what I'm going to do is just going to use my towel here to get any excess off of there and get the moisture off of that. And now our knife is sharp and ready to go. So I can just undo this and pop it off the bar. I'll set that right there for right now, but just to show you my knives, they're nice and sharp now. And so you can see we're getting a nice paper thin cut here on this celery. So that's good. So my knives were pretty sharp to begin with, but you can definitely tell a difference in the sharpness because I've had these knives for a very long time, and I just try to keep them maintained and sharpened. But as you can see, we're getting pretty paper thin there with our cuts there. So definitely worked, definitely did the trick there. So if you're looking for a knife sharpener that can be mounted onto the table, onto the bar for you while you're using it, definitely check this one out. I highly recommend checking this one out.